The Chamberlain 953EV-P2 remote uses a CR2032 battery. Replacing it is a simple DIY task. First, locate the battery compartment on the back of the remote. Use your fingernail or a small flat tool to slide the cover off. Remove the old battery, noting which side is facing up with the positive mark. Insert the new CR2032 battery with the positive side facing up, matching the original orientation. Slide the cover back on until it clicks into place. Test the remote by pressing a button. If the garage door doesn't respond, you may need to reprogram the remote. This process should take 2 to 5 minutes. CR2032 batteries cost less than $1 each and are widely available. Ensure proper disposal of the old battery by recycling it at an electronics drop-off point. If your remote still doesn't work after replacing the battery, try reprogramming it. Consult your garage door opener's manual for specific instructions, but generally this involves pressing the Learn button on the opener and then pressing a button on the remote. Ensure the battery contacts are clean. Wipe them gently with a dry cloth if necessary. If you encounter intermittent signal loss, consider the battery's age and replace it preventatively every 1 to 3 years. Extreme temperatures, especially cold, can reduce battery life. When buying a new CR2032, check the expiration date to ensure it's fresh. Also be sure to correctly dispose of dead batteries and keep them away from water and extreme heat. If issues persist after these steps, contact a professional technician for assistance.